In this video, we'll demonstrate how to game share on the PS5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about game sharing on the PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. To game share on the PS5, follow these steps. Go to your PS5 settings, then navigate to Users and Accounts. Select Other and find the option for console sharing and offline play. If a pop-up appears about disabling it, click Disable. If prompted about enabling it, leave it as is. This step essentially allows your friend's PS5 to play your games. On your friend's PS5, log into your account. Go to Users and Accounts, then Other, and enable Console Sharing. Next to the Console Sharing and Offline Play option, click on Store Licenses. This ensures that downloaded content is available on your friend's PS5. Download the games from your library on your friend's PS5. Your friend can then play these games as long as your account remains active on their console. Remember, this method works only with digital downloaded content, not physical discs. Your friend can play the shared games simultaneously while you're playing too, but they need to be logged into their own account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more PS5 content. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnetguide.com.